I was the only intern that had Ignition software experience, so I was able to help out the team lead because as I was sitting next to him, he was having trouble finding something in the Ignition program, so we were running through it together and I was able to find it and then let him know what needed changed. It was a very big program, but we were able to get down into it and find out what the issue was. I'm Marissa Rupert. I'm a student at the Pennsylvania College of Technology. I'm doing 2 bachelor's degrees, one in automation engineering mechatronics and another one in software development and information management. I came in here with not much experience at all. The first professor I had told me to wire a light bulb, but I had no idea how to do it. And I realized that all I had to do was, raise my hand and I had to ask him, and he came right over and he helped me. And, he gave me challenges and helped me to grow as a person. So Penn College really helps you to grow by giving you challenges and offering you the help when you need it. There's a lot of connections to industries, like the teachers and the professors, they've all been in industry, so they know how it works. They really try to immerse you in sort of a work environment. I think that's very helpful. I've completed 2 internships so far, so I did one at Thermal Product Solutions and I did another one at Multidimensional Integration. Multidimensional Integration is an integration company and they do a lot of different things, such as commissioning or integrating a system, updating a system that they might already have. MDI sent me out to Chicago to work at a large warehouse facility where I gained a lot of hands-on experience and a lot of learning experience. We started setting the IP addresses of all of the equipment there, which included, the PLC, the remote input-output blocks, the VFDs, and we updated the hardware if we had to, and the software. We did all of that, and then we had to find some things that needed to be fixed, such as when we first tried to run the conveyor belt on one area. That conveyor belt, the belt popped off every time it went around, so we were able to find that the belt was actually, pieces of the belt were installed upside down. So we had to take the belt apart with bear claws. So then the project manager there actually tried to add in another row, and I was like, no, we don't need to add in another row, because I had experience with the belt, and so I knew if you added another row, it was going to need to be tensioned differently. So Penn College really gave me that kind of experience, and that was cool to be able to help like that. Getting all of that hands-on experience has really helped me because I've been able to retain the information a lot better and I've been able to learn it better. Because it's hard to learn something just when you're hearing a teacher talk about it or just seeing it, rather than when you really start to do it.